Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys how to create a Spotify artist account. Watch the video till the end and you'll be able to do it in no time. Firstly, I'd like to inform you guys that you cannot create an artist account using Spotify Artist app. We can only create an Spotify Artist account using Spotify Artist website. So first of all, tap open a web browser of your choice. Then in the search bar write artist.spotify.com. After that, you'll be loaded to a page interface something like this. Then you can see a three-lined icon on the right upper corner. Tap on it. After tapping, you can see Get Access as the first option. You'll have to tap on it. Tapping on Get Access will load you to this page interface and you can see whether you're artist or manager option or label team member. Since we're trying to make an artist account, tap on artist or manager. After that, you'll be loaded to this page and you can see that you can log into Spotify by syncing your Google, Facebook or Apple with Spotify, or you can create a Spotify artist account by scrolling a bit and tapping on sign up for Spotify, which is seen on the bottom of your screen. After that, you'll be redirected to a sign up page for Spotify artists. You'll have to type in your email. You have to create your password. Then you should also type in the name that you'd want to be called from. Then give in your information like your date of birth, your gender, and tap on the square besides please send me news and offers from Spotify, and also the square besides Spotify content providers for market purpose and privacy policy. After you're done with that, tap on the sign up button which is on the bottom of your screen. It might take a while to load, but after it's loaded, you'll be on your Spotify artist profile page. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.